There is something most women over 50 forget to do every single day. And that is the reason their joints feel stiff. Their back stays tight and they lose mobility way faster than they should. But once you start doing this, even just for a few minutes a day, everything starts to shift. Stick with me because I'm going to tell you why it matters more now than ever. Out, and it's time for me to do something that I was never really a big fan of, and that's stretching. It was boring to me. And I kind of sort of like paid the price a little bit later on in my career. Waking up with stiff joints and all that other kind of stuff, it felt like crap. And it made me move not well. So it is important to stretch. You have dynamic stretching that can be done before you work out. So these are movements that are going to kind of imitate the movements that you're going to be doing in your workout. And then you have static stretching, which is just where you're sitting down and you're holding the muscle or holding the move for a longer period of time, 20 to 30 seconds, all right? Static stretching lowers your heart rate, it calms your nervous system after your workout, which is important. It gets you back into homeostasis, back into that Zen, or whatever Zen is to you, all right? And it creates juicy joints, all right? We want strong, mobile joints, all right? Stretching is all about reducing the stiffness that we feel throughout the day, all right? And it also lowers the risk for injuries so you can live to fight another day or work out, that is. So do not ignore stretching, all right? Do not ignore it. If you take a group exercise class in the gym, stay to the very end. Your instructor will appreciate it. And definitely do dynamic warm-ups before you work out to get your body and your muscles ready for, the challenge ahead. And we'll be going more in depth on all of that stuff. But right now, I'm just, peeking in, saying hey, and introducing myself to you slowly with little tidbits of information. Have a wonderful day. It's beautiful out here. Now, you don't have to stretch for an hour. Just for a few intentional minutes a day can keep your joints happy, your body mobile, and your spirit feeling good. So if no one told you today, you deserve to feel strong, flexible, and fabulous at every age. Now go give those joints some love.